Who is it?
Trick or treat.
You're one of those kids, aren't you?
What kid?
One of those kids that want candy.
Yes, please.
Well, I don't have candy.
No candy!
Yep, no candy.
The candy!
All these kids want
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 Candy!
all these kids going door to door. Each of them wanting something more. Them and their parents want it bad. They want the best candy snack. All these kids want
Candy!
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 all these kids beating feet. All these kids going down the street. All these kids want something sweet, and they all want to sing trick or treat. All these